my rear door, left hand side, the bottom lock. So this little device cost me £42 on the Volkswagen website, right? However, it's not the part for my car, unfortunately. This is for Volkswagen. I'll tell you in a second. This is for Volkswagen. I think is this IO or this I something. This minivans like transporter, modern days transporter. The reason why I bought that, the original part for Volkswagen Crafter cost £152 or £149. So I done a bit of a thinking and have a look into both parts, and they look exactly the same. I have no idea if it's gonna fit, but for £42 or sorry, actually it's £35.30 with the delivery and by couple of bolts and stuff like that. A few screws were missing, so I just got a nice little parcel from Volkswagen, and we'll see if this one's gonna work or not. So yeah, just let's have a look at the progress now and see where we are. So this is the device. It's broken, so basically it doesn't close up now at all. And if I compare the other one, yeah, I think they are exactly the same. However, I'm not a mechanic, so let's take this bad boy off and see if it's gonna work. We're off now. So let's see if we just save £100, let's say. So this is the part 2 of the part 1. Just the last comparison. For some reason this plastic is a bit smaller. I have no clue why, but I'm gonna leave it like that, simply because I don't know if you can see that it's like in any angle. Anyhow, yeah, it's exactly the same. So what's happened, there is a spring inside this one. Don't know if you can see it, just over there, and spring in this one is missing. Obviously it's been used as a commercial vehicle for some time, and yeah, nobody really care about the closing the door properly. The only difference I can say is my line, the wire for the lock itself, it's different. So this one looks like it's coming out from here, and on that one's coming from the other side. So what I'm gonna do, simply gonna replace that. Hopefully I can remove this one in one piece. The original bolts, that's what I did with them. And this is the part I bought it from the Volkswagen store. Exactly same size. So let's just install these. You can lift it up, so I need to hold it with one hand, sorry guys. That it allows me to Right, let's see. So that's how it's gonna lock. So the first part is done. The lock is installed now. The paint is not dry yet, but I couldn't wait, so I put the I'll show you. I show you, where is it? Here. Right, so this is the things which holding a lock. That's our, and this is my lock here, right? Just to remind you, this is £35 lock, not 150 something, right? Moment of truth, bang, sits, perfect, absolutely fantastic. And obviously you can open it up if you want to, or you can shut. So yeah guys, if you want to save some money, just go buy normal lock. You don't need to do anything. Literally the only things need to be changed. It's plastic which holds the actual line in here. So yeah, give that a go, and yeah, don't spend too much money on the things you don't need. Hope this is helpful. Cheers guys, till the next one.